Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Yogesh Sarode of Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalaya Devgram. I welcome you all in this session. Today, we will see important grammar topic, that is change the voice. Friends, you have learned this topic earlier during your 12th or before that also. Now we will see this topic in detail because this topic is always there in the syllabus of 12th during undergraduate and for your competitive and other related examinations also. So let us see. Voice is that form of verb which shows whether the subject of the verb does something or something is done on it. There are two types of voice. Number one, active voice, and number two, passive voice. See the examples. Ramesh broke the glass. And second example is the glass was broken by Ramesh. Now see, in the first example, Ramesh is subject and the glass is object. In the second example, the glass is subject and Ramesh is object. In both the sentences, we find the sentence express the same meaning. However, there is some difference. In the first type, in the first example, the subject Ramesh is a doer of the action. रमेश ने ग्लास तोड़ा. ग्लास तोड़ने की प्रक्रिया रमेश द्वारा हुई. रमेश इज अ डूअर. करने वाला रमेश है. इसका मतलब सब्जेक्ट एक्टिव है. सो इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. बट सी इन एग्जाम्पल 2, द ग्लास वॉज ब्रोकन बाय रमेश. ग्लास टूट गया रमेश द्वारा. यहाँ ग्लास ने नहीं तोड़ा, ग्लास ही स्वयं टूट गया. So the subject is a receiver of the action, not doer of the action. So the glass, it is not doing anything but simply receiving the action. In short, in the active voice, the subject is the doer of the action, and in the passive voice, the subject is the receiver of the action. This we have seen in example 1 and 2. When the subject in the sentence is a doer of the action, एक्शन करने वाला सब्जेक्ट रहता है तो उसको एक्टिव वॉइस बोलते हैं. जब सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट यह एक्शन रिसीव करने वाला होता है उस समय उसे पैसिव वॉइस कहा जाता है. फर्दर, द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव वॉइस हैज बिकम द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द पैसिव वॉइस व्हाइल चेंजिंग एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. And the verb broke is in active voice and the verb was broken is in the passive voice. So this is important. While changing active into passive voice, there is interchange of active subject and object. The subject of active voice becomes object in the passive voice, and the object of active voice becomes the subject of passive voice. Now see another example. Ram killed Ravana. राम ने रावण को मारा. यह राम करता है, करने वाला है. राम ने मारने की प्रक्रिया की. यह सब्जेक्ट एक्टिव है. सो दिस इज ऑफ एक्टिव टाइप. राम किल्ड रावणा इज एक्टिव वॉइस. व्हेन वी से रावण वॉज किल्ड बाय राम, रावण ने नहीं मारा, रावण खुद मर गया. यहाँ रावण ने एक्शन रिसीव की है, रावण ने एक्शन डू नहीं किया, एक्शन नहीं किया. हियर रावण इज रिसीवर ऑफ द एक्शन. व्हेन देर इज अ सब्जेक्ट रिसीविंग द एक्शन, it becomes passive voice. Now you see, if there is active voice, why there is a need of passive voice? जब एक्टिव वॉइस से काम चल रहा है तो पैसिव वॉइस की ज़रूरत क्या, सवाल ये खड़ा होता है. सो देर आर फ्यू रीजन्स. व्हेन वी यूज पैसिव वॉइस, it is because we make the object of the active voice more important than the subject. जब कभी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ पैसिव ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस, जब आपको लगता है कि ये ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है सब्जेक्ट से, उस प्रकार का जब प्रेजेंटेशन होता है उस समय जनरली पैसिव वॉइस का यूज़ होता है. See here in this example, Ramesh broke the glass. This is an active voice. But यहाँ ग्लास किसने तोड़ा, that is not important. What is important? That glass is broken. ग्लास टूट गया ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, किसने तोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. ऐसी जब सिचुएशन होती है उस समय इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस वी जनरली यूज पैसिव वॉइस. When object is more important than subject, if you have to show this situation, then passive voice is more important. The object of the active voice is putting the beginning of the passive voice to go prominence to the object rather than the subject, that I have already explained. In the sentence above, we are not interested so much in Ramesh as in the glass. So we put the glass in the beginning and then the verb has been burned into passive voice or has been broken into passive voice. Look at the examples. We sell books here. हम यहाँ किताब बेचते हैं. अभी देखो इसका अर्थ ये होता है, हम यहाँ किताब बेचते हैं. यहाँ हम इस शब्द को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, जबकि किताब बेचना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. कहाँ बेच रहे हैं, कैसे बेच रहे हैं, दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो वी इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. सेलिंग बुक्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज एक्टिव वॉइस, बट इफ यू हैव टू ट्रेस द सेंस मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली, then you have to make the passive tense. Then only meaning will be more clear. See, in passive voice it becomes books are sold here by us. Now here in this sentence, even if you utter by us or do not utter makes no difference. Books are sold. किताबें बेची जाती है. यहाँ किताबें बेची जाती है. Books are sold here. That's all. Who are selling? That is not important. When you have to represent certain situation or situation like this, at that time you must use passive voice. See the explanation. Many times we find the boards of the same names of shops having written in the passive voice. Who is selling the books? That is not important. But what is he selling? That is important. Hence, in such a situation, passive sentence becomes more effective to attract the attention of the people, to give meaning to that sentence, to give trace to that sentence, to attract the people by just meaning. Number 2, passive voice is used when the doer of the action is unknown or is implied in the sentence. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं होता, जनरली वो पैसिव होता है, उसका मेंशन किया न किया मेक्स नो डिफरेंस. सी इन द एग्जाम्पल, समवन पिक्ड अप माई पॉकेट. समवन पिक्ड माई पॉकेट, किसी ने तो भी मेरा पॉकेट उठाया. समवन पिक्ड माई पॉकेट, दिस सेंटेंस इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस. बट सी द सब्जेक्ट, समवन, किसी ने तो भी. यहाँ दिस सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. किसी ने कोई नाम भी होगा तो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं. व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट? दैट माई पॉकेट इज पिक्ड, मेरा पॉकेट उठाया गया. किसने उठाया, दैट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो इफ यू हैव टू present this situation, you will use passive voice. So the sentence in passive voice of this will become, my pocket was picked, because picked is in past tense. So while making passive, you have to use past tense. In the above example, we do not know who picked the pocket. Therefore, we have left out the agent in the passive voice. Now, how to know the voice? You must know the test of it. So, when the subject is the doer of action, it is active voice. We have seen it. Remember carefully. When the subject is the doer of the action, it is active voice. But when the subject is not the doer of the action, the subject receives the action, it is passive voice. There are certain rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Number one, while changing active voice into passive voice, we generally change object of active voice in place of object, in place of subject. Object of active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Right? Number two, the passive form of the verb is formed using the form of be. Now see, what are the forms of be? In present tense, there are is, am, are. In past tense, was, were. Past participle been or continuous being, etc. Plus, we have to use third form of the verb. Number three, the passive verb is followed by by. That is, that suffix you have to use plus subject in the active voice. And number fourth, the form of the verb be, that is जिसको अपन मराठी में अमूर्त रूप बोलते हैं, बडिंग वर्ब बी, that form is decided by the tense of the verb in the active voice. If the active voice is in present tense, then accordingly we have to use the form of be. So these forms are given below. Broke, that is in active voice, तो इसका past tense में होगा was broken. Number fifth, in case doer of the action is not known, suppose it is unknown or implied, yeah, not important, then by plus doer can be left because that is not too much meaning. So friends, this is about the preliminary of the voice. We have seen there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice, and what are the rules for that. So in this video, we have focused on the preliminary part of this voice. In the next video, we will see its examples and some important subtypes in voice also. So for this, I stop here. Tomorrow will come with a new video. Thank you. Good day.